One is place value. What is a place value? In maths, every digit in a number has a place value. First, what is a number and what is a digit? Okay, first we'll understand what is a number and what is a digit. If we take the example of a number called 218, okay, the example of a number called 218, this whole is called as number. 218 is called as number. If we take only 2 out of it, it is called as a digit, or if we take only 1 out of it, it is called as a digit, and if we take only 8 out of it, it is called a digit. So this 218 is a number, 2 with 3 digits, 2, 1 and 8. Is it clear? The whole is called as a number and the individual numbers in it are called as the digits. The value of a digit, the value of what? The value of a digit, single individual digit, depends on its place or position in the number. The value of what? The value of a digit. Which is a digit in this? 2, 1 and 8 are digits, right children? Yes, the value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number. In this number, the value of this digit depends on its place or position, which is called as what? Place value. See, value depends on place. Value depends on place, hence it is called as place value. For example, if we take this number here, 345. What is the number, children? 345. We are going to find out the place value of 3. Place value of what? The digit 3. First, we have to write the place values on top of these numbers, which will make it easier for us to find out the place value. The first place value from right is ones, the second is tens, third one is hundreds. First is ones, second is tens and third is hundreds. See, the digit 3 is in which place here? The digit 3 is in hundreds place. Digit 3 is in hundreds place, and hence its place value becomes what? 300. 3 is in hundreds place, so its value is 300. Clear? The place values are ones, tens and hundreds. 3 is in hundreds place, so what will the place value be, children? The place value will be 300. For your more easier understanding, let us solve this thing. Let us find out the place values of numbers on this abacus. See, the place values are written here in the down, right? It has 4 rods. How many rods? Abacus has 4 rods. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first rod from the right is for the ones. It's written down here. The first rod from the right is for the ones. Second rod is for tens. Third rod is for hundreds. And the fourth one is for thousands. Now this is how many digits number is this? This is a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what will the number be? We have to count the number of balls on each rod. What should we do, children? We should count the number of balls on each rod. Let us count. Shall we? Okay. First we'll count the number of balls in the ones place. Number of balls in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls in the ones place. Now coming to the tens place, how many balls are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls in the tens place. Coming to the hundreds place, 1, 2. 2 balls. Coming to the thousands place, 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Am I right? There are 5 balls. 5 balls in ones place, 4 balls in tens place, 2 balls in hundreds place, and 3 balls in thousands place. So the place value of 3 here will be what, children? 3000. Of 2, 200. 4, 4 tens. 5, 5 ones. See, the place value of the digit is depending on the place. Now what will we read this number as? 3245. Okay, depending on this place value, we are reading this number aloud as 3245. I hope this is clear, children. The place values are always written from the right. The first one is ones, second one is tens, third one is hundreds, fourth one is thousands. Okay. Let us solve some examples here. The first example we have here is 256. What is the number, children? 256. Again, we will write the place values on top of this number. On top of this number from right side. What is the first one? Ones. What is the second? Tens. The third one will be hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds. The place value of 2, what will the place value of 2 be? The digit 2 is in which place here? The digit 2 is in hundreds place. So the place value will be what, children? Come on. The place value of 2 here is? Exactly. 2 hundreds. What is the place value of 2 here? 2 hundreds. Now what will the place value of 5 be here? 5 is in which place? 5 is in tens place. So the place value of 5 will be 5 tens. What will the place value of 5 be? 5 tens. Then the third digit is 6. 6 is in which place? 6 is in ones place. 6 is in which place, children? 6 is in one place. So what will the place value of 6 be? The place value of 6 will be 6 ones. 6 ones. Is this clear? The place value of 2 is 2 hundreds. The place value of 5 is 5 tens. The place value of 6 is 6 ones. Coming to our second example, the number here is 7934. We have first, what is the first step? We write the place values on top of the numbers starting from right. What is the first value, place value? The first place value is ones. The second is tens. The third is 100. What comes after 100? Thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So, we'll find out the place value starting from the first digit. What is the first digit here, children? The first digit is 7. What is its place value? 1000. The value will be 7000. 7000. Am I right? The place value of 7 here is 7000 as it is in thousands place. 7 is in thousands place. The place value is 7000. Coming to the next number, which is 9. The next number, which is 9. 9 is in which place, children? 9 is in hundreds place. Now what will the place value be? The place value will be 900s. What will the place value be? The place value will be 900s. Coming to the third digit, which is 3. 3 is in which place, children? 3 is in, right, tens place. 3 is in tens place. So the place value will be 3 tens. What will the place value be? 3 tens. And the last digit here is 4, which is in what place? Which is in ones place. 4 is in ones place, and the place value of 4 will be 4 ones. Understood everybody? What we'll do, the first step will be to write the places above the number starting from the right side. First one will be ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And then we write the place values of the digits in their depending on their places. 7 is in thousands place, so the place value is 7,000. 9 is in hundreds place, so the place value is 900s. 3 is in tens place, so the place value is 3 tens. 4 is in ones place, and so the place value is 4 ones. Clear everyone? Okay. Now the next topic is face value, which is very easy. Face value of an individual digit. Again, what is the digit here? In the number 218, 2 becomes a digit, 1 becomes a digit, and 8 becomes a digit. Right? The value of an individual digit is called its face value. What is face value? The value of an individual digit. What is the individual digit here? 2 is a digit, 1 is a digit, 8 is a digit, 218 is a number. The face value of a digit is the same as the digit itself. What are they saying here? The face value is the same as the digit itself. Now if we take the example, in this if we take the example of number 45, now we are taking the digit 4. Which digit are we taking here? We are taking the digit 4. 4 is in which place, children? Again, we have to write the places above the number ones and tens. 4 is in which place here? 4 is in tens place. Now what will place value be? What will the place value of 4 be? The place value of 4 becomes 4 tens, which is equals to 40. 4 tens, which is equal to 40. How did it become 40? 4 tens is nothing but 4 into 10. What is 4 tens are? 4 tens are 40, right? See, so the place value of 4 is 4 tens, which is equal to 4 into 10, which is nothing but 40. The place value of 4 here is 40. Now what will the face value be? The face value is the same as the digit. Now 4 is the digit. We are finding out the face value of digit 4. So the face value will also be 4. See, the face value is also 4. Face value of 4, which is in tens place, is 4. Though 4 is in tens place, the face value of 4 will remain to be 4 only. Another example, the face value of 8 in 865. Which digit are we taking here? We are taking the digit 8. As it is mentioned here, face value is the same as the digit. Now the digit is 8, so the face value is also what? 8. Right? Very simple, right? You have to just write the same digit for face value. No places, no ones, no tens, nothing. They are asking you the face value of 8, so you have written just 8 here. Even though it is in what? Even though it is in the hundreds place. 8 is in hundreds place here, right? Even though 8 is in hundreds place, the face value of 8 is only 8. Nothing more. Just 8 here. I've put up this table for you, which will make it very clear about the difference between place value and face value. Let us solve this now. The first number is 21. What is the first number here? The first number is 21. And we are going to find out the place value and face value of the digit 1. Of which digit? Of the digit 1. For face values, what did I tell you? First we have to write the places above the number. 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, ones and tens, right? First we have to write the places above the number. And which digit are we talking about here? We are talking about 1. And 1 is in which place? 1 is in ones place. Now what will the place value of 1 be? The place value of 1 will be 1 ones, which is equal to 1 into 1. What 1 ones are how much, children? 1 ones are 1, right? So the place value of 1 is 1. The place value of 1 is 1. And coming to face value, as I said, face value, no effort at all, there is no work to be done here. They are simply asking about 1, so you simply write the same 1 in face value. They are asking about digit 1, so you write the same digit in face value. We are finding out the face value of digit 1, so the same digit is written in face value. The second number here is 823. Okay, 823. They are asking to find the place value and face value of the digit 2. First we'll write the number here 823 and then start writing the places above the number. Ones, tens, and what comes after tens, children? Right, hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. What is the digit given in the question here? The digit is 2. 2 is in which place? 2 is in tens place. Now what will the place value of 2 be? Place value of 2 will be 2 tens, which is equals to how much, children? 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20, right? So the place value will be 20. The place value of 2 in tens place is 20. Again, they are asking you to write the face value as well. What is the digit given here? 2. So simply we write the same digit in face values. The face value of the digit is same as the digit itself. No work to be done here. Simply copy the same digit to face value. Clear? The third number is 1975. What is the number? 1975. What is the first step to be done? Right, write the places of the digits on top of them. What is the first place? Ones place. Second is tens, hundreds and thousands. Now what is the digit given in the question? 9. 9. Let us circle 9 here. In which place is 9 here? 9 is in hundreds place. 9 is in which place? 9 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 9 will be how much, children? 900s, right? Correct. The place value of 9 will be 900s, which is equal to 9 into 100. 900s are 900. Yes, the place value of 9, which is in hundreds place, is 900. Now coming to face value, again just copy the same digit into the face values column. This is a column. This is the face values column. So copy the same digit 9 into the face value. Face values are very easy, right? No work to be done. Just copy the same digit. Do not get confused between face value and place value, children. Always remember, place value is always different and changes depending on the place. When the term place comes here, you have to first write the places on top of the number and then write its value. Place, remember the term place, or else you will write the same, you will write 9 for place value and 900 for face value, which will be wrong. So always remember, when it says place value, write the places, which are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, on top of the number, and then find out its value. But for face value, just simply copy the digit which is circled or which is asked in the question. Now coming to the last number here, which is 5. Very simple. 5. The number of digits in 5 is only 1. They are asking you to find out the place value of 5. First write the number 5 here. Now write the places on top of 5. Which the first place is 1. That's it. 5 is in which place? 1's place. Now what will the place value of 5 be? 5 ones. 5 ones is equal to how much, children? 5 into 1, which is equal to how much? 5 ones are 5, right? Exactly. So the place value of 5 will be 5. And coming to face value, what I said, just write the same digit for face value. Clear? Now, as you have learned how to find out the place value and face value of digits, it's time for you to do some problems. Okay, now we shall do some problems. I ask each one of you to get a paper or a book and a pencil to write. I'll give you the question. You have to solve the problem and then I'll tell you the answers. Okay, come on everybody, go get a pencil or a book. Pencil and a book. Ready everyone? Now this is the first question for you. Find the place value of 6 in 642. Place value of 6 in 642. Now I'll give you some time. Solve it in your books. Solving everybody. What is the first step to find out the place value? First write the places on top of the number, starting from ones, tens and hundreds. In the question they are asking us to find out the place value of 6, which is in hundreds place. So the place value will be 600. The correct answer is 600. So whoever has got the correct answer, please clap for yourselves. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Find the place value of 8 in 283. Come on fast everybody. Find the place value of 8 in 283. See this 8 is in tens place. So place value of 8 becomes 80. 80 is the correct answer. Okay children, now the next question is for find face value. Find the face value of 5 in 457. I don't think you need any time for solving this. As I said, if whenever they are asking you the face value, just copy the same digit. The answer of face value of 5 is again 5 only. There is no need to solve this problem here. The answer of the face value of 5 in 457 is 5. The last question for today, find the face value of 9 in 196. Very easy, right? What is the answer here? Yes, exactly correct. The face value of 9 is 9. Even though it is in tens place, the face value of 9 will be 9. Now we've come to the end of today's class. What we have learned today, shall we revise? We have learned that every digit in a number has its own place value, and place values in a 4-digit number are starting from ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And the value of an individual digit is called as its face value. And what is face value? Face value is always equal to the digit, the same as the digit itself. At last, I'd like to say, please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for live class schedules, recorded videos of live sessions, so that in case you missed any of the live classes, you can go to our website and see the videos over there, and also to get other notifications. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.